Have you ever lost signal just when you were about to capture the perfect aerial shot? Watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best long-range drones of 2026. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone offers the best combination of range, camera quality, and overall value. I'll cover the key features, real-world performance, and biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Teeggi SG909 Max. The Teeggi SG909 Max is an affordable long-range drone that packs several premium features into a budget-friendly package. It comes equipped with a 4K camera, GPS positioning, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and a touchscreen remote controller. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the advertised 6-kilometer transmission range provides plenty of flexibility for recreational flying. Review highlights. Many users appreciate the SG909 Max for its balance of features and affordability. GPS-assisted flight improves stability, and the obstacle avoidance system helps newer pilots fly with greater confidence. It's a solid entry-level option for those looking to explore long-range drone flying. Pros: 4K camera system, GPS-assisted stable flight, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, touchscreen remote controller, foldable, travel-friendly design. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE has become one of the most popular lightweight drones in its category. Weighing under 249 grams, it features GPS navigation, auto return-to-home functionality, waypoint flight, follow-me mode, and a transmission range of up to 4 kilometers. Its lightweight design makes it convenient for travelers and outdoor adventurers. Review highlights. The Atom SE delivers reliable flight performance and excellent ease of use. The GPS features work well, and the drone maintains stable positioning even during longer flights. It's a great option for beginners who want dependable long-range performance without spending a fortune. Pros: under 249-gram lightweight design, GPS auto return feature, follow me and waypoint flight modes, easy-to-use controls, excellent value for beginners. Number 3. SX1 Max GPS. The SX1 Max is designed for users who want longer range and enhanced flight capabilities. It features a 3-axis gimbal, 8K and 4K camera support, a dedicated LCD screen controller, and up to 5,000-meter FPV transmission. The package also includes 3 batteries, giving users significantly more flight time. Review highlights. The 3-axis gimbal helps produce smoother footage than many drones in its price range. The LCD controller eliminates the need to rely entirely on a smartphone, making flying more convenient outdoors. The extra batteries are a major advantage for extended shooting sessions. Pros: strong 3-axis gimbal stabilization, LCD display remote controller, multiple batteries included, long-range FPV transmission, strong overall value. Number 2. P7 Max Professional. The P7 is built for users seeking serious long-range performance. It features an 8K camera, brushless motors, GPS navigation, a smart display remote controller, and an impressive 20-kilometer digital image transmission system. Its advanced flight technology makes it suitable for more demanding aerial photography applications. Review highlights. The standout feature here is the exceptional transmission range. Combined with strong GPS accuracy and brushless motor efficiency, the P7 Max delivers a premium flying experience. It offers capabilities that rival many significantly more expensive drones. Pros: massive 20-kilometer transmission range, 8K camera capability, brushless motor system, GPS-assisted precision flight, professional-style controller. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. Taking the top spot is the Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. This impressive drone combines true 4K HDR video recording, 8K photo capture, a professional 3-axis gimbal, AI tracking, AI night shooting, and a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. Despite its advanced capabilities, it remains lightweight under 249 grams. Review highlights. The Atom 2 offers one of the best overall drone experiences in its class. The image quality is sharp and detailed, the stabilization system performs exceptionally well, and the intelligent flight features make capturing professional-looking footage easier than ever. Its combination of portability, range, and camera performance makes it stand out from the competition. Pros: excellent 4K HDR video quality, 8K photo support, 10-kilometer transmission range, advanced AI tracking features, professional 3-axis gimbal, lightweight and travel-friendly. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing flight range, camera quality, stabilization, intelligent features, portability, and overall user experience, the Potensic Atom 2 camera drone is the best long-range drone for most buyers in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.